Hi friends, welcome back. In the earlier tutorial, I have taught you how to create this employee table by using this particular PHP MyAdmin. So today what we are going to do is that we are going to create one more table in this EMP database, but by using the PHP script and using the create table SQL statement. So let us go back to our notepad editor. Just click on this new file, and here I'll just copy this code, and now here the connection part will remain same. Now the only thing that is going to change is that here my SQL statement is going to change. Now since I want to create a table, so I will write here create table. Now let us say I'm going to create a table called as salary, and the fields are in it are EMP which I want it to be integer and primary key. The second field I want is ename, which I want it to varchar of size 20, and the last part I want is the salary of that employee, salary of data type integer, and let us say size of 7. Now close this particular parenthesis. Now remember, we have written a SQL statement to create a table. Now again I will be using the MySQLi query function. I'll pass it the con variable and the SQL statement, and if it is true, then it means is that our new table salary is created successfully. Otherwise, it will display the error if it fails to create the table. So let us save this and let us give it the name createtable.php. Save this. Let us go to our browser, refresh it, and now click on the createtable.php. Now here you can see my table salary is created successfully. So let me check it in my employee database. So again I will refresh this and see here alongside of employee, my new table has been created successfully. Now currently it does not have any records. I have already shown you how to insert records by PHP MyAdmin insert tab or by using the insert statement in the SQL variable. So you can use any of the method to insert your records. So this is how you can create a new table within a database.